We have already seen how to find out area of sector and area of segment. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on them. So the first question is, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divides the circle into 10 equal parts. As shown in the figure, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. We need to find out total length of the silver wire required and also area of each sector. So total length of the silver wire means the silver wire is used to make the circle. So we need to find the circumference. This length we need to find. Need to find the circumference of the circle. Also the silver wire is used in making 5 diameters also. So total length of the silver wire will be, total length of the silver wire is equal to length of 5 diameter plus circumference of the circle. Length of 5 diameter plus circumference of the circle. And we know that circumference of the circle, the formula to find circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So the length of one diameter they have given as 35 millimeter. So length of 5 diameters means 5 into 35 plus the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So diameter you have to take the half. 35 by 2 will give you radius of the circle. So 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. This will get cancelled. And 5 into 35 is equal to 175 millimeter plus this again you can cancel. 22 into 5 is 110. So when you add this, you will be getting 285 millimeter will be the total length of the silver wire, because it is used in the form of a circle as well as is used in making 5 diameters. Now second part is area of each sector. Area of each sector. We don't have the angle theta. We know area of the sector is find by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square, but we don't know theta. R is there, 35 by 2. We don't know theta, but we know that the total angle or angle at the center of the circle is 360. Since there are number of sectors is 10 sectors are there, angle of each sector will be 360 degree divided by 10. So we have theta will be 360 because angle at the center of the circle is 360 and there are 10 sectors. So angle of each sector will be 360 divided by 10, which is equal to 36 degree. So we got now the theta. Now we can find out area of each sector. So area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into theta by 360 into pi r square. So which is equal to 36 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 the whole square. So you can simplify this. 36 and 360 will get cancelled. It will be 1 by 10 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So this will be 5. Again you can cancel 11. Then 10 and 35 you can cancel. This will be 7 and this will be 2. So when you simplify, you will be having 385 by 4 millimeter square. Since it is area of sector, the unit will be millimeter square, and the length of the sector we got as 285 millimeter. Now the second question is, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, Find the area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella. So we can see here this umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. We need to find area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella. That means we need to find area of the sector. If you see this figure, we need to find area of one sector. Area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella is nothing but area of one sector of the circle. Area of one sector of the circle, and we know area of sector is given by the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So r is 45, but we need to find out theta. So radius of the circle is given as 45 centimeter, but we need to find out theta. So again, angle at the center of the circle is 360. Since there are 8 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since there are 8 ribs, theta I can be find using this formula 360 divided by 8. So theta is equal to 45 degree. Now we can substitute 45 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is again 45. Now when you simplify this, you'll be getting the answer 22,275 divided by 28 centimeter square. So that will be area of one sector. Now next question, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So we know that length of the blade of the wiper is equal to, here length of the blade of the wiper is equal to radius of the sector swept by the blade. So radius is nothing but 25 centimeter. And angle of the sector formed by the blade of the wiper is 115 degree. So area of the sector is equal to, we need to find total area cleaned by each sweep of the blade. So area cleaned by each sweep of the blade is nothing but area of the sector swept by the blade. So area of the sector swept by the blade is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta also is given as 115 degree divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 the whole square. So this is the area of the sector or area cleaned by each sweep of the blade. Now the question is, we need to find total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. There are two blades, so total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade will be equal to, since there are two blades, total area will be, with this you need to multiply 2 into 115 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25, so which is equal to 1,58,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. You can cancel we can cancel this 360, this is 180, again you can cancel 90, 11, again this you can cancel with the 5, and you will get the answer like this. So total area will be, you have to multiply, since two blades are there, you have to multiply with 2. So total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade is equal to 2 into area cleaned by one wiper, that is 2 into area of sector. The next question, to watch ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over the sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of sea over which ships are warned. So area of the sea over which ships are warned is nothing but area of sector, and we know area of sector is given by the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square, and here theta is 80 by 360 into 3.14 into r square is 16.5 into 16.5 kilometer. The answer is 189.97 kilometer square. So this is the area of the sea over which ships are washed. Now next question, a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. 6 equal designs. This is the first design, second design, third design, fourth, fifth and sixth. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.3 square per centimeter. So all these questions we were doing area of sector, but to find out area of this design, we need to find out area of minor segment. Area of segment we need to find out. This is area of, this is segment. Segment means the region enclosed by the chord and the arc of the circle. So area of segment is given by the formula area of sector minus area of triangle formed by that chord. So area of sector minus area of triangle formed by this chord. So if you divide this, we have 6 sectors we'll have. So if you divide like this, we have 6 sectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we need to find area of the sector, then we need to find area of the triangle, then we will subtract, we will get area of one segment. Multiply that area of one segment with 6, so that we will get area of all the 6 design. After that, to find out the cost of making the design, we need to multiply that answer with 0.3. So first let us find out area of one sector, which is given by the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now theta we don't have, radius is there, 22 by 7, r square is 28 square, but we don't have theta. Again we know angle at the center of the circle is 360 degree. Therefore, and there are 6 sectors, so divide by 6. So the answer is 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree. 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. When you simplify this, you will have the answer 410.66 centimeter square. Next, we will find out area of triangle. Area of triangle is given by the formula. Area of triangle is equal to half r square sine theta. Here theta is 60 degree, r square is 28 the whole square, sine 60, and we know sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 28 into 28 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.73. We can take divided by 2. Can cancel this. So 4, this you can cancel, and when you find out, the answer will be 333.2 centimeter square. So we got area of sector and area of triangle. Now we will find out area of segment. Area of segment is given by the formula area of sector minus area of triangle formed by that chord. So it is equal to 410.66 minus 333.2. So the answer will be area of one segment is 77.46. So the design, we have 6 design like that. So area of 6 design will be 6 segment, will be multiply this answer with 6. So we have 464.76 centimeter square. Again, the cost of making this design is, cost of making they have given for 0.35 centimeter square. The rate is given as 0.35 centimeter square into 464.76, which is equal to 162.66 rupees. So this question, we need to find out area of segment because the design is like this. So area of segment we need to find out. To find out area of segment, we need to find out area of sector first. Area of sector minus area of the triangle will give you area of the segment, and area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Found out area of one segment, then multiply the answer with 6 to get area of all this design. After that, multiply the answer with 0.35 to get the cost of the design. Thank you for watching my video.